Have you ever felt a song that tastes like summer? This is one of them, Summer Breeze by the Isley Brothers. The second it hits you, it's a celebration of the season, sensory, melodic, it's seriously chilled. I'll show you how to build this in 3 ways. We're going to start with a heartbeat of the song, the chords and rhythm that carry the whole thing. Then we layer in the picking texture that sits over the intro like sweet sprinkles. And if you've got more of an appetite, the melodic lead guitar line. By the end you'll have all the pieces. I'll show you how to layer them together into something fantastic. First up, the foundation, the chorus and verse chords. These are the bones of the song.
Summer breeze makes me feel fine, blowing through the jasmine in my mind.
We start with a rhythm. It's a 2-bar rhythm. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. Looking at the chords in this section, we've got some really spacious, mellow sounding chords. D-7, E-7, F major, G major 7, add 11, C major, B flat over C. We also have a B-7 and an E7. Playing through the chord sequence slowly. We have 2 bars of D-7, to E-7, to F major, 1 bar, but we change to the G on the up of the next bar, so beat 1 and. We've then got 2 bars of C, and B flat over C. Play all of the chords again, but instead of B flat over C, we end on a bar of B-7, go into the second bar, change to the E7 on the up, slow play through of the chorus, 2, 3, 4.
Summer breeze makes me feel fine. Summer breeze blowing through the jasmine in my mind.
What a beautiful chord sequence. We move on to the verse. The feel changes completely.
See the curtains hanging in the window.
The rhythm's got more of a drive to it, but it's still light. Down, down, up, down, down, up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. We accent on beats 1 and 3, so it pushes along. Adding in the chords, we're back to some of our good, home safe favourites. A, C, G, D, and there's a little sneaky A7 transition chord in there. Popping those together, we have 1 bar per chord. We're going to change chords on the final up strum. Slow guided playthrough. There's a sneaky little rhythmic section in there. I'll talk you through when we get to it. Beginning on the A. Now the little tricky bit. A chords, same as before. Down, down, up, down. When we do the up, take the fingers off. The C comes in on beat 4. We now repeat the verse from the beginning, the A, C, G, D, and we finish on down strums, A7. That takes us back into the chorus. So slow play through of the verse. 2, 3, 4.
See the curtains hanging in the window. The little light shining through the window. Everything's alright.
An at-speed playthrough of the chorus and verse section so you can hear how they go together. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Summer breeze makes me feel fine. Summer breeze makes me feel fine. All in my mind. See the curtains hanging in the window in the evening on a Friday night. Lets me know everything's alright.
You feel that lift? The rhythm and the chords have both got movement, but they're still giving us loads of space. It's a real experience of a song to play. These two sections carry repeated throughout the entire song. So if you learn nothing else, you can sing along to this or play for somebody else singing and have an amazing time. But if you want to carry on to some embellishments, let's have a look. It's real simple on its own, but the effect that it has once you put the chords underneath it, it creates motion. This takes it to a next level. It creates a little bit of a heartbeat feel. I play this with my pinky 5th fret E, index finger 3rd fret E, and 3rd finger 5th fret B. I place them all down together and treat them kind of like a chord shape. The pinky's gonna lift up at some parts, but the other two fingers are gonna stay in the same place. Playing this without any effects on it, we've got the E string, B string, take the pinky off, E string, put the pinky back on. Rhythmically, we start on 1, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That gives us the high note, which is where the pinky is, lands on 1 and 3, which provides the accent perfectly, so it kind of lifts us up into the accents. To get the separation and the slightly pizzicatoed effect, slightly muted, we rest the hands to dampen the strings a little bit, not completely, just enough to give us a little bit of a percussive element. The magic for this happens when we layer the chords underneath it, which I'm going to just demonstrate now with my looper. This lead bit really is identifiable magic. It's the part when the song starts. If you're going to sing it, you're going to sing it when that lead guitar bit comes in. Breaking this right down, we have an arpeggiated shape. It's so melodic. We're not going to put any slides in yet. We're going to do the basic positioning and then spice it up. So we take the 3rd finger, 7th fret D, index finger, 5th fret G, pinky or 3rd finger if you need to, 8th fret B, index, 5th fret B, 3rd finger, 7th fret G, index finger, 5th fret G. We then take the index finger to 4, do a hammer on pull off between 4 and 5, hammer on to 5, pull back off to 4, 7th fret D, I use my pinky, you can use your 3rd finger, whatever suits. We then have our middle finger, 5th fret D, slide up to 7th fret, and then pick 7th fret. We're going to slide into our first note this time. So take the 3rd finger, go to fret 5 on the D string, and slide into fret 7. We don't really hear 5. A quick slide in. At the speed of the song, 4 and. One thing that we can do to really compound this practice and hear how it works together is use a looper, one of my favourite practice tools. We're going to layer up the intro chords, the picking bit. I've also included an octave down picking bit just to give it a bit of thickness and fullness, and then the lead guitar melody. Just a short sequence, but it really helps you to hear and feel how it all fits together in its dimensions. Setting up that first loop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Going in with the lower octave. Now coming in with the solo. I hope you've had as much fun playing this as I have. If you are looking for more upbeat summer songs, this is a tutorial on La Bamba. The picking melody at the beginning. There's a breakdown into the simplified chord structures as well. I will see you next time.